We need to maintain spending discipline in our nation's capital. I've had a plan to protect small business owners and employees from I actually did vote for the $87 billion with all your heart. State House members, all the local officials, the high sheriff is with us today. If you're worried about the quality of the education in the community in which you live, we stand for the fair treatment of faith-based groups so they can receive federal support for their works of compassion and good. This will not happen on my watch.